Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed by a blank canvas? Unsure where to start or how to bring your vision to life? Well, there's a time-tested technique that artists have used for centuries to simplify the painting process and create more refined, realistic artworks. It's called underpainting, and today, I'll guide you through how this essential technique can transform your painting process, making it easier, more structured, and incredibly effective. Underpainting is the very first step in many traditional painting methods. It's a foundational layer of paint that serves as a guide for your composition, values, and overall structure before you begin adding colors and details. Think of it as a blueprint for your artwork, setting the stage for depth, contrast, and a well-balanced composition. One of the biggest advantages of underpainting is that it allows you to establish the light and dark values of your painting from the beginning. Instead of jumping straight into color and struggling to balance shadows and highlights, underpainting helps you break the process down into manageable steps. It simplifies decision-making, allowing you to focus first on the overall form and later on refining details and colors. Most underpaintings are done in a monochromatic color palette, meaning they use a single color or a limited range of tones. Some artists prefer using warm earth tones like burnt umber or raw sienna, while others might use cooler tones such as blue or green depending on the subject matter. By working in just one color, you're able to focus entirely on capturing depth and contrast without the distraction of multiple hues. Imagine painting a portrait or a landscape without underpainting, jumping straight into colors without a guide. It's like building a house without a strong foundation. You might struggle with proportions, values, and depth, leading to a painting that looks flat or unbalanced. But with an underpainting, you already have a structured base to work from, making the next steps much easier and more intuitive. Another major benefit of underpainting is that it creates a perfect surface for layering colors. Many painters use a technique called glazing, where thin, transparent layers of color are applied over the underpainting. This method allows light to pass through the layers, giving your painting a glowing, realistic effect. The result? Richer colors, smoother blending, and an overall sense of depth that would be difficult to achieve otherwise. There are various types of underpainting techniques, each with its own unique effect. A grisaille, a black, white, and gray underpainting used to create strong tonal contrast. Imprimatura, a light wash of color that sets the mood for the entire painting. Verdacho, a greenish underpainting commonly used in classical portrait painting to create realistic skin tones. Each of these approaches helps simplify the process by giving you a clear roadmap before diving into complex details and color mixing. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, underpainting is a game changer. It eliminates guesswork, saves time, and allows you to focus on refining your painting one step at a time. So the next time you start a new artwork, consider using underpainting. It will simplify your workflow and take your paintings to a whole new level. Stick around till the end of the video to learn the art and discover all the tips and techniques that will take your painting skills to the next level. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more painting tutorials. And if you try underpainting in your next artwork, let me know in the comments. I'd love to see your creations. Happy painting!